Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix auto hide taskbar not reappearing in Windows 11. Press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Notifications, turn off all notifications from apps and other senders. Third method is right-click Taskbar, click Taskbar Settings. Click Taskbar Behaviors. Check Automatically hide the taskbar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.